It says there aren't so many words. So I'm feeling sad. Okay, there is a word called sad if I'm feeling sad. But what if I'm feeling sad and angry and revengeful? What's the word for that? What if I'm not feeling that much revengeful, but I'm only feeling. So that means I have to go with sad because my word is not there. My experience is not there in language. So I got to express. That is why art works. That is why dance works. That is why songs work. Because language cannot fully experience what I'm feeling. What if I'm not only feeling sad? What if it's not 100% sadness? What if it is 70% sadness and 30%, which is again divided into 10 and 15% of something and a 5% of, say, jealousy, revenge, or whatever? How does somebody understand you now? Our behavioral stuckness is also because of the language we use. Our grudge or holding on to the other person is also because of the language we use. We don't experience through language. We experience and then we put it into language, into the closest language. I'm saying look at a region, look at a group of people and notice, why are they different from you? What is the difference that creates the difference? It's the meta programs, it's the grammar that runs underneath. So you got to ask them this question: how do they represent the problem which you think is a problem linguistically? हाथ टूट गया, I broke my hand. How would they represent it? Content reframe, context reframe, and non-content reframe is to understand how are we holding those parts of us